I will direct my question to Ms. Cassandra Ong. Ms. Cassandra, during the previous hearing, when you were asked by the members of this committee about your educational attainment, sabi mo po nag-ALS ka, di ba? Yung nag-ALS ka, tama?
Opo.
Anong taon yun, nag-ALS ka? Huwag mo sabihin na you double check naman. Pwede ba makalimutan mo kung nag-ALS ka, wala? At saka anong taon?
2016?
2016?
Hindi ko po sigurado kung ano yung exact year. 2017.
How old are you now?
24 po.
Oh, that is 8 years ago. So you're 16 years old the time. Na nag-ALS ka.
Around 16, 17 yata.
Okay. What school?
I forgot na, Mr. Chair.
Oh,
Public school po siya.
ha?
Public school
Anong school
po.
nga?
Hindi ko po...
Ay, Mr. Chairman,
maalala.
again, Cassandra Ong is lying. Pwede ba yun? Na hindi mo alam kung saan school ka na-enroll for the ALS? Oh. Baka hindi ka nag-ALS. Baka sa ibang bansa ka nag-aral.
Pwede po magsabi.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, hindi po. Nag-ALS po ako. It's parang ilang beses lang po ako pumasok. Pero around like sa...
Sabi mo, nag-ALS ka, tapos ngayon, ilang beses ka lang pumasok. Tinatanong kita ngayon kung anong school. Ay, bakit incriminating ba yung tanong ko?
Hindi po, Mr.
Oh.
Chair. Hindi ko lang po sigurado kung ano ang pangalan ng school.
Ay, pwede ba yun? You're lying. You're lying, Ms. Cassandra Ong. Remember, you're now cited, previously you're cited in contempt, and I will once again cite you in contempt for lying. Hindi mo alam school? Kasi alam ko na hindi mo sasagutin kasi next question is, papakuha ko yung record mo kagad-agad. Alam mo na yun, kaya hindi mo sasagutin. Oh,
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko lang po talaga matandaan.
hindi nga eh. Kahit sinong tanungin mo dito,
Mr.
alam
Chair.
nila kung saan sila nag-elementary, saan sila nag-high school, saan sila nag-aral.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
with your indulgence. With your indulgence, Mr. Chair.
I yield my time to,
No, I just want to ask Miss Ong. Ako po yung matanda na pero alam ko pa rin kung saan ako nag-graduate ng elementary school. Alam ko rin kung anong buwan at taon ako kinasal. Tapos ikaw, batang-bata ka pa, hindi mo alam kung saan ka nagtapos. Anak ng tinapay naman, oo. Ay, mapipilitan akong i-second yung susunod ni Honorable Paduano.
Oh, Ms. Cassandra Ong.
I-double check ko lang po.
Oh, yun,
right
hindi, I will not accept that answer of yours.
But,
Ito, yung mamamayan na nanonood sa atin. Lahat dito nandito. Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate elementary, di ba? Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate high school? Alam nyo kung nag-ALS kayo, saan kayo nag-ALS?
Ako alam ko, Mr. Chair.
Oh, alam mo,
ko.
di ba? Hindi naman may edad lang, pero hindi matanda. Si Chairman Abante, alam niya. Why you're asking your lawyer? Bakit mo ba check? Hindi, Mr. Chairman. Isang tanong pa lang to. Ms. Alice Go, ang dami, Cassandra Ong, ang dami pa akong tatanungin sa iyo. But, Mr. Chairman, with that, once again, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Ong for not answering the question of this representation in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our internal rules.
Second. Anak ko.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Leong for violating Section 11, paragraph C of the rules of the House. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? No objections. The motion is approved. She is now cited in contempt the second time.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman, from any members.
Mr. Chair.
There was a second. Yes, Congressman Akop.
Since Ms. Cassandra Ong was already cited in contempt, may I move that she be detained sa Correctional Institute for Women if our detention facilities would already be full. So move, Mr. Chair.
Second. There's a motion to detain Ms. Cassandra Ong at the Women's Correctional Center. Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Chairman.
Third motion.
Wala nang third, second na, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po, yun lang pong first question ko kanina. But alam ko po, kanina pa, in fact, when Cassandra Ong was asked by Congressman Pimentel, alam mo kasi, yung mga tinatanong kanina ni Chairman Pimentel was already on record, Ms. Cassandra Ong. And during the time when we asked Ms. Macarinas, nandyan ka. And you never denied the statement of Ms. Macarinas. Ang gusto lang po ni Congressman Pimentel na ulitin if you are cooperating or you're still lying. Now, Mr. Chairman, I would just like to ask, but of course, hindi na ito sasagutin ni Ms. Cassandra Ong. Mr. Chairman, is the Deputy City Prosecutor that filed a case against Cassandra Ong and the DOJ Banban Composite Team is present?
Yes, I think they're
Good evening,
present.
Mr. Chair.
Please identify yourself.
Deputy City Prosecutor Benjamin Sampson, Your Honor.
Have you taken your oath?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Comsec, please administer the oath of Deputy Prosecutor.
Please stand, sir.
Yes, and please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this congressional inquiry? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, sir, ganito po, attorney. Kung nasusundan niyo po yung mga tanong ng mga kasama namin dito kanina, addressed to Ms. Cassandra Ong, he was asked about question of some financial matters, particularly the Whirlwind investment that was asked by Dora Nabol Flores. And she was also asked by Congressman Adjong kanina with regards to the payments and the sublease agreement and payments with regards to Whirlwind and Lucky South 999. And the answer of Cassandra Ong is she invoked her right to serve incrimination. Now, question. Kasi daw, there's a case now with regards to money laundering. Now, tanong ko po, is Cassandra Ong has a case as of now that was filed by the prosecutor or the DOJ with regards to financial matters on Whirlwind and Lucky South 999?
First, I need to clarify, Mr. Chair. There is a pending case for money laundering against Guo Ping, which includes Cassandra Ong as respondent. But it was filed by the NBI, AMLC, and PAOK. It's now pending preliminary investigation before the Department of Justice.
In relation to what pogo?
Based on the complaint filed by the three complainants, Your Honor, there was a link made between Bamban and Porac Pogo operations. So that transaction involving Cassandra Ong is not necessarily connected to the Porac operation, but because of the conspiratorial acts between Bamban and Porac operations.
But to be specific, there is no case with regards to Whirlwind and Lucky South 999.
There is one, Your Honor, the qualified trafficking in
No,
persons.
yung question of money laundering.
None so far, Your Honor.
None
But
so
I
far.
believe, based on the information we have, our law enforcement agencies are conducting their case build-up, and I believe they're also planning to file a money laundering case for the Porac operations.
But as of now, wala pong kaso.
Wala pa po.
Okay. That is why, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that Ms. Cassandra Ong is lying when she was asked by Congressman Adjong and Congressman Akit Flores with regards to investment of Whirlwind and the payment on the sublease agreement between Whirlwind and Lucky South. So again, I'd like to establish, to reiterate that on that issue, Ms. Cassandra Ong, again, is lying. Because walang kaso with regards to money laundering doon sa Whirlwind and doon sa Lucky South. And sabi nga ni attorney, they're contemplating, may case build-up pa, and they're contemplating to file a case. Money laundering case against Cassandra Ong on that matter. Tama po.
Correct, Your Honor. So at present, it remains speculative with respect to the actual transactions that will be included in that complaint.
Tama. So again, Mr. Chairman, for the record, yung second question ko sana address to Cassandra Ong, but Wala siya, but I know he will not answer that. She will not answer that because that was the question raised by Kong Adjong and Kong